Hi guys, nandito ako para i-share sa inyo yung isang weekend DIY project na ginawa ko ngayong linggo. So actually it's a anti-theft or burglar alarm system na ginawa ko para sa isang kaibigan na gusto niya magkaroon ng additional layer of security sa kanyang bahay because allegedly merong nag-attempt na pumasok doon sa bahay ng kanyang magulang. Other than the CCTV system that I've already installed dun sa bahay nila, gusto niya yung may alarm system na pwede makapag-pagising or mag-ingay para at least malaman ng kanyang mga magulang if merong tao dun sa compound nila. So he asked me if I could do it. So here I am doing the DIY alarm system. So guys, I hope you like it. So baka makatulong rin sa inyo kung may same dilemma kayo o problema sa security sa inyong bahay. Ito yung basic connections ng system. Dito yung infrared sensor transmitter with a direct line of sight going to the infrared receiver. Ito yung relay layout. Then this is the siren. And this is the power supply. I've also placed a DC switch just so the system can be turned off and on anytime. So bali ito yung mga gamit na ginamit ko sa aking DIY burglar or anti-theft alarm system. So ito yung power supply, 12 volt power supply, and these two are the infrared sensors that I used para makagawa ng alarm system. So this is the transmitter, ito yung transmitter, and this one is the receiver, and this is also a siren that will be putting up the sound every time may breakdown sa beam ng infrared. Ito yung mag-iingay actually. So yeah, so ito lang mga bagay na to, plus of course yung wire na ginamit ko just to connect them all. So nakagawa tayo ng isang DIY alarm system. Hey, testing. Ronnie will pass through the light beam.